Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Grabe ang aga pa. Sa bundok na. Ayun. I need to clean. Yes, I need to remove all the dry leaves. At para maganda ang aking environment. I want that, my environment is clean. Yeah, so you can see that happy face is because of the environment. Yeah. If the environment is good, you're gonna be okay. Yun. Ano daw? Ano daw? What? It's like that, guys. Routine of my life. My routine in life, yeah. To, woke up, remove the dry leaves around the garden. Oh my God, look at that. And you know what, guys? You know what? It's like, there's something happen. Oh my God, I forgot. I will make halo-halo. And, the bananas, oh yes, the bananas inside the fridge is still there, and I hope it's okay. I will, make special halo-halo dessert in Philippines. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome. Welcome nga pala. Welcome kayo mag-comment sa aking YouTube videos. Thank you sa mga bago kong subscribers, and God bless you all, guys. Tingnan niyo yung orchids. Oh. Look at my orchids. It's look very nice na. Look. O diba? Astig, no? Nagkaroon ng bulaklak, sobrang dami. Tapos sa taas, yun. Diba? Grabe, masaya yung orchids. Aba, masaya ang orchids. Nakikita ko. Yung orchids masaya kasi nilalagyan ko ng water. I give water all the time. That's why it's look, all of the flowers is come out. Wow, nice. Diba? Ito ang this is my little gardens. My little, yeah, in front of our house is like that, yeah. But backyard is a big garden, yeah. But, it's not nice place how to plant so many kind of fruits, yeah. And you know what? I'm looking forward that, rambutan in Lanzones is come. I think that, it's come is month of December. And, I'm looking forward to pick. Yes. Magmumukbang ako, guys. Magmumukbang ako ng Lanzones at saka rambutan. Yeah. Ayun. I think rambutan is like, lychee. There's a red, yeah. I don't know if you can find that in supermarket, but it's almost the same, yeah. Ayun, at ang aking little store, my little store, yeah, there. It's still the same. Anis is some of that is going to expire. I need to remove and give to the kids. Yes, to my pamangkin. Ayan. Ito ang aking, this is my little store. Yan. I don't have a customer yet. Maybe later. I'm so lucky that I have a store. Anis is it's help to provide what I need. Yeah, not all, but it's help a lot. Yeah. Yan, this is my store. My little, little 7-Eleven. Yes. Little 7-Eleven. Ayun, yun lang guys. Bye.